Look,
Beta Michael.
there's ducks.
Yeah.
There's ducks swimming on that road.
This town we're in, it flooded so much. That's all the road. Over there, it was frozen. Isn't that cool? Going on the sidewalk. I wanna get all this rain stuff on and go splash around. I don't know. Would you use your rain stuff for this, or would you use your bathing suit for this?
You would use hazmat suit.
What's that? Okay. I think that's it for this video. See, look at it's this road. So it's saying, look, it's frozen.
It's not frozen.
I know.
It's frozen.
There's duckies. Lots of duckies. Okay.
See that little bridge that we just went over, Alex? That goes over the river. And you see how this water is flowing?
Can I get
It's flooding out of the river and going across the grass here and onto the sidewalk and then across that grass and onto the road. That's how much water is in there.
Can I get out and get a better look?
No.
No, behind.
No.
Fine. This is it. Bye.